To determine if you have a narrow or regular P&H arm, insert a penny into the hook part of the arm. If it fits, you have a regular P&H arm. If it's too large, you have a narrow P&H arm. Here's how to install a Rain-X Quantum Elite wiper blade on a narrow P&H arm. After you've removed the old wiper blade, make sure the wiper arm is in the up position. Locate the hole on the side of the adapter. Next, turn the blade perpendicular to the wiper arm. Insert the pin into the hole, pushing all the way through. Rotate the blade down until it locks into place. Tug on the blade to make sure it's properly fastened. Remove the yellow plastic squeegee cover and lower the arm gently onto the windshield. Now activate the blade change indicator by removing the yellow sticker. Over time, the black dot will turn yellow when it's time to change your blades. Finally, activate the Rain-X water repelling technology. To do this, ensure your windshield is clean. Turn on your wiper blades and wipe at medium speed for 2 to 3 minutes. In wet weather conditions, simply run the wipers across the windshield. In dry weather conditions, apply water or washer fluid to the windshield intermittently throughout the activation period. After activation, spray washer fluid onto the windshield to observe the water beading. Installation is complete. You are now ready to outsmart the elements with Rain-X Quantum Elite.